For shaping the natural free edge, we use the drop Diva base with a thickness of 0.5 mm and a 240 grit standard file. Since the natural nail is quite thin and does not require a regular file, we will use a 180 grit buffing file, which we have attached to the opposite side of the base. The drop Diva base is convenient because one side is quite narrow and allows you to file the natural nail without touching the surrounding skin. We degrease the nail plate and proceed to apply adhesive preparations. To shape the smile line, we use the Moon Angel base with a thickness of 0.7 mm and a 240 grit file. We treat the surface of the nail bed with the 0.7 mm base and a standard 180 grit file. We remove the length and file the edge to a straight line using the Moon Angel 0.7 mm base and a 180 grit file. We use the same base to work on the side planes. It fits perfectly, eliminates any irregularities, and forms the side wall into a straight, clear line. We proceed to the smile line. We use the 0.7 mm base and a 180 grit file. This combination helps achieve a straighter and clearer surface. We proceed to file the lower parallels. Using the semicircular side of the base and a 240 grit file, we treat the area near the cuticle. It files very gently without damaging the client's skin. We file the edge, lower parallels, and the line of the wings with the drop Diva base of 0.5 mm and a semi-soft 240 grit file. To complete the process, we chose the softest buff 240 grit, which will only emphasize the architecture of the nail. The buff has very soft edges, eliminating the risk of cuts in the cuticle area.